Welcome to this video tutorial where I will show you step by step how to make this little horse inspired by the little horse from Toy Story. This is actually part 2. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, check the description of this tutorial where I will be sharing the link. In this second part, we will be joining all the pieces that we already have ready. Let's start making the union the body with the legs. First, I will show you how to accommodate 2 legs. I will sew in and show you, and after that, let's make the another legs. Make sure you leave the part that when we change the color in the back or on one side. In the front, this one will be the front. I put the leg after round 8. Approximately, this is the front and that the back. Then just make this union with pins, wool needle, whatever you need to keep like that. And then I will sew in one and let's show you how to sew in the another one. This one is ready. Again, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After round 8, approximately. Again, this will be the front. Whatever will be okay, but this one is where we start the body. Then just take all the front loops that we have on the last stitches on the legs and one little stitch on the body. Pay close attention and you can see how to do that. Then accommodate the another legs and leave approximately 2 stitches between both legs. With that will be enough. And just sewing exactly with the same technique. Every time make sure this amigurumi can stand on his own. And then we are ready to continue with the union. Now we will make the union with the neck. Perfect. This is the neck. I will leave where we finish the neck on the back and on the top. And here on the center and on the front, we need put it between round 1 and 2. This is the center. The next one between round 1 and 2. And on the back, between round 9 and 10 approximately. Now let's put stuffing before accommodate the head. Put enough stuffing and the stuffing keep on the neck. Put more on the front, not too much on the back. And later we accommodate the head using a wool needles. Now we are ready to make the union with the details on the head. Please pay close attention. How to put everything is easy, and also you can change everything and make it however you prefer. I will accommodate the ears, the hair, the eyes, everything before make the union using glue. Sometimes I will use glue. For example, with the ears, I will use glue on the base. Also with the eyes, I will use glue, but for this hair, I will sewing. Then pay close attention and you can see how to make everything. made like 8 stitches for each detail for the nose. For the detail on the top of the body, made this union just using glue. First accommodate it on the center and later just with glue. For the tail, I will sew in using the thread that will leave. Then pay close attention and you can see how to do that. Let's make these corns. We need make 3. All that, let's start with the slip knot, but 2 of them with 25 chains and the another one with 50 chains. We will put the smaller one on the nose, one on the head, and the bigger one from the nose to the body pay close attention. You can see how to accommodate everything. It's up to you. Use glue, but I will use to keep the corn in the best place. And that is how we finished this Amigurumi horse inspired by Toy Story. And yes, you can also sit him down. He looks super cute and funny. You have to make it yourself so you can see how cute he looks. I love it. Remember, we also have his friend Jessie, and the tutorial is available on this channel. We also have the right pattern if you prefer to use one. Check the video description where I will be sharing all the information, or watch the next video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, then you will receive notification every time we upload a new video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and see you on the next video tutorial. Bye!